Hey everyone, we have a set of TL Type S calipers finished up today. This is a conversion for a 10th gen Accord. And he also sent in the rear calipers to get them powder coated to match. These are also like fully rebuilt, so they have new seals, dust boots and all that. Color is called Double Blue Vein. It's an interesting finish here. Not something we've done before. But yeah, it gives it a pretty unique look here. Almost looks like some kind of like rock or something with the finish that it gives. It's kind of like a lighter blue and then like a darker blue, and it's like spotted. So pretty cool look here. This caliper kit, we're not showing the hardware here in this video, but you know, you get everything, shims for the rotors, new caliper bolts, everything is ready to bolt on out of the box. You just need to acquire TL Type S rotors and pads, and you have a 4-piston big brake setup for the fronts. Rears, again, this is optional, but we do offer this service to rebuild the rears and then basically get them powder coated to match your front kit. So it's basically a fully complete matching setup, ready to install out of the box, and everything's refreshed with new seals. So yeah, if you have a Honda, Acura, and it uses a 5-lug bolt pattern, our TL Type S caliper kit more than likely will fit your vehicle. Check out our website at VisionAutoworks.com. There's a application list there, and if your vehicle is not listed, just reach out to us, and we can kind of give you an idea of whether or not we think it will fit. But yeah, it does fit on pretty much every single car, even Hondas, older Hondas with like that are originally 4-lug. If you do a 5-lug conversion, this caliper kit does fit. And if you want the rears done as well, it's an additional fee, but we can make it happen. And then we also offer brake caliper rebuilding services. So if you just have a set of calipers that need to get redone, refinished, and rebuilt, we can take care of that. We have some Ferrari like 360 calipers coming in soon. So there'll be another video on those shortly after these are finished. So yeah, again, our website is VisionAutoworks.com. Check us out there. A lot of information on the TLS caliper kit is available on the website. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.